We are gathered here today to witness and bless the joining together of Mimi and Alex's two hearts, two lives, and two souls in marriage. It's a commitment to stand by each other's side, to laugh together, to cry together, and to grow together. Because you know that no matter what life brings, you will face it together. It is with great joy and delight that I can officially pronounce you husband and wife, and you may share your first kiss now as a married couple.